welcome to SGRealProp channel. Where are we going now?
Going farming.
Where to farm?
Kim Hock area.
Yes.
Kim Hock area. Which district is that?
That's District 11.
District 11? Oh, this is Geraldine. Today she's our driver. Because we have a listing there, is it?
Exactly. Yeah, we have a listing which many other agents couldn't sell.
Oh.
So owner appointed our team.
Yeah.
So we have a team of 5 people. So let's see what we can do.
Okay.
Yeah, we have a brief study last week. So today we are going on ground already.
So what are the things that we're going to do today? Farming, right?
Today we'll be farming, and then like Eric mentioned, familiarize ourselves with the grounds. And, probably meet up with some owners who may want to upgrade or downgrade or have their children buying within the same neighborhood.
Hey, but pardon me from asking. Actually nowadays so many agents are doing online portal, then they also rely on social media marketing. But why are we still want to do the so-called the hard works?
Okay, do you receive flyers in your house?
Yes.
Why are the agents sending flyers to your house if it doesn't work?
Educate me more, please.
Yeah, because it works.
Okay.
It's different segment, different market segment. It's just like newspaper also. There are people who actually check newspaper and buy. You go to
A lot of things you need to be back to the basic.
Yep.
And basic is something that you start off, and you start to get more leads from there. So that's what we're doing as well.
Okay. But from what I know, usually agents also want to save costs because they have spent so much money on online already, right? So they wouldn't want to spend more on so-called traditional marketing. Okay. So anyway, from what I remember is this place is District 11. So what our listing is a freehold detached. Freehold detached, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Price to sell. I remember it should be quite price to sell, right?
I think it's slightly below market, right?
I think later Eric will share with us more. Quite a sunny day. Wish us luck because we're going to distribute flyers in.
Yeah, we are dressed for it.
Yeah, we are dressed for it. So we are casual. Well, we are very casual.
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
Bye.
I sent to Sydney.
Seriously, do you think you can distribute? I don't think you can, right? So you help us guide the place. We'll join you back shortly,
Sure.
Okay. Ken, Geraldine, what you all doing?
Hi.
We are holding these flyers.
Okay.
Distribution later.
Where are we now?
We are along Kim Hock Road.
One of the property that we have, right?
Correct.
For the detached house.
Okay. Hey, what is the challenges of this particular property that we are marketing?
But the way I see it, this property, right, the challenges we have is, of course, it's just beside the road. And it's a continuous white line, meaning that no cars can park outside. And of course, the entrance also seems a little bit small, and we have limited parking space for about 2 cars maximum. Yeah.
However, I think this should be a good point for rebuilding because this kind of ground, there's a sunken ground. Okay, so once they rebuild, they can convert this into a garage for car park, and then you can have more car park lots, and then you can start building from level 1. And then the GFA is not affected also.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. I think we are going to distribute our flyers soon, right?
Yes.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay, Eric, we go first,
Okay,
You rest
bye.
here. Bye. Distribute flyers already. Bye. Jerry, is it very hot?
Yes, very hot. Look at my outfit.
12 noon eh.
Yes.
This is my first time doing distribution of flyer
It's my first
during the
round.
noon time, you know.
Yes. But then we make it happen. Okay?
Yeah. It remind me of a song. It's a long, long road. See, we are walking the ground, trying to understand each property unique selling point. What are the pros and cons? When people say, where got people throw farm flyers in the middle of the day. There, we all see, all of us, all the crazy people doing flyers distribution. Yeah, we are one of them. Okay.
Hot day, hot day.
Right. Life of an agent. Hot afternoon. Come and do flyer distribution. All thanks to ourselves. Hello, we are here. Guess where we are now?
Kapak.
Which car park?
HDB.
Yeah, my fault. Just now I supposed to take one last ending video at our site, but I actually forgot to press start. So now I have to redo again, okay? So sorry, my mates, very sorry about it.
Happens.
Okay, so actually we have finished our distribution of flyers at Tian Hock Road area already. Finally, after how long?
1 hour.
1 hour of hot sun, under the hot sun, yeah. But nonetheless, we have finished. We should give ourselves a clap, okay? Okay.
Well done.
Okay. Anyway, we forgot to introduce ourselves. My name is Ben.
I'm Mike. And
I'm Jerry.
Okay. So don't forget, we still have an open house on coming Sunday, 2 to 5 p.m. at
Tian Hock Road.
call any one of us. Okay, you should know our number already. Okay. Ready?
Okay, we are from
SGRealProp.